to the channel, everyone. Thank you guys for joining me today as I install my Midland GMRS, the MX275 model. While I'm doing that, my friend Ross at Alpine603 on Instagram, go check him out, is going to be installing a fuse box up front so that I can easily install some more lights and do it the right way.
Wire's going to come off for positive. Come down around here. This breaker mounted.
Well, it's going to hide perfect in there.
Actually, no, it's probably going to go right here.
Yeah.
Because you want to be able to get to it quickly if needed.
And so that's just so I can like flick it on and off, right?
That's so you can turn all the fuse block on and off.
Oh, okay.
And if you overdraw, like there's.
Huh.
That'll be on.
Off. There you go. Look at that. It's all. So I just put the magnetic little ghost antenna up there. Now I'm feeding the wire down through a hole up in here, and I've already mounted the mic. Decided to screw it in just because the 3mm tape just isn't reliable.
Put it underneath the seat and leave it there.
Look at that.
Huh?
Always trying to do the best.
It's the way it should be.
Exactly. OEM plus. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, so the GMRS is now installed right here. We used some 3mm tape just to make it a lot easier and so that we didn't have to do any more drilling. But drilled a hole right through there so that the cords can feed out and it'll install perfectly flush right up there. It's all coming together pretty nicely. Overall, how's the install been? Is it hard?
Pretty easy.
Yeah, see, there you go. So it's definitely something you guys can do at your own house. But, you know, not if you don't know what you're doing. Don't start just pulling wires apart. Doesn't work. So we just fed the wire through so we can wire up the CB and the GMRS just to get it all set. And then we'll hook up these, get these all set. What are you doing though? Are you just trying to connect it to the thing?
Trying to hook up the ground to the CB.
It's just hiding for me, yeah. I'll move that.
Just a little light up.
Like a Christmas tree? Is it going to light up when are they on?
It'll just be
Okay,
on.
yeah.
But you won't just have one off.
Okay.
You're one for the backup lights, even though you don't have the backup lights in.
Oh, yeah, they'll still be on.
They'll still be on.
Yeah. I need to find a nice set of, because I have some nightlight ones, but they're a pod and I don't like it. So I kind of want to get like a... Okay, so we just installed that, and now we're going to feed the wire through, and we're actually going to put it right there. I bought this really nice kind of connector, so it can just sit flush right there, and it'll be able to connect, so that there's no wire like sticking out of this. And what I was talking about is I'll have the connector plug in right there, just so, like I said, to feed the wires kind of the cleanest way possible. Oh my God, that was good.
I got you pretty good there.
Yeah.
Big because the plug's actually quite big, so
Makes sense. Just could like square it out. probably wouldn't suggest this to be the way. Everyone, don't do this at your own house.
I'm experienced.
Yes.
I'm kidding. No, I know what I'm doing.
Just don't slice that wire. I don't have to wait for shipping again.
No, I can make another one.
Oh, there you go.
I can do that too.
Project Alpine 603. Don't sleep on him. Comms check.
Yep, loud and clear.
Alrighty, let's head off. Now that that's all finished, let's check out these 6 drawers that he made for his Xterra. So that's nice. You said
refrigerator slide. This is for the stove.
perfect.
Sets up nicely. Brand new. Yes, it does work. I've tested it. This will be all my kitchen utensils and knives, small cutting board. This here is my hammock. I've got my collapsible shovel, a blanket. I've got all stuff for my hammock, small ropes, miscellaneous stuff. Every latch is a compression latch that pulls itself closed and I can lock them. This is my recovery gear, gloves, trailer hitch. I got a recovery shackle point there, hitch, air down, ratchet shocks, things like that. And then the top, I've just got miscellaneous stuff, blades, tape, small rope and stuff like that. This is going to become a switch panel for all of my accessories when I'm camping. Back in here, behind the seat, will be where my dual battery setup will mount back in here. So, it's a work in progress.
And that's all for today, folks. So thank you guys for joining us, and make sure to tune in next week as I install my rock sliders from Mainline Overland.